Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on my laptop after using it extensively while traveling and working on the go. I've put this machine through its paces, and I'm ready to give you the lowdown. First impressions are important. What did I think when I first unboxed it? The design, build quality, and overall aesthetics play a big role in my satisfaction. Is it sleek and portable? Does it feel premium? I'll discuss my initial thoughts. Next, let's talk about the specs. I'll break down the processor, RAM, storage, and display. How do these components perform in real-world scenarios? Does it handle multitasking well? Is the screen bright and clear? Even in sunlight? I'll share my experiences with these specifications while traveling. Let's dive into performance. How does it handle everyday tasks like web browsing, email, and video calls? Does it lag or freeze? I'll also assess its performance with more demanding tasks like video, editing or light gaming, which I often do on the road. Battery life is crucial when you're working on the go. How long does the battery last with different workloads? Does it charge quickly? I'll provide an honest assessment of its battery performance. Portability is key for a travel laptop. Is it lightweight and easy to carry around? Does it fit comfortably in a backpack or carry-on? I'll cover the dimensions, weight, and any travel-friendly features, like a compact charger. The keyboard and trackpad are essential for productivity. Are the keys comfortable to type on? Is the trackpad responsive and accurate? I'll share my experience with the keyboard and trackpad, as these are critical for on-the-go work. Connectivity is vital. Does it have the ports I need, such as USB-C, USB-A, and an SD card reader? How's the Wi-Fi performance? Does it connect to hotspots easily? I'll address these important aspects of connectivity. I'll also discuss the software experience. Is the operating system smooth and responsive? Are there any pre-installed apps that are useful or annoying? I'll share my thoughts on the software aspect. Durability is another significant factor, especially when traveling. Does it feel sturdy and well built? Does it have any protective features? I'll share if it withstood the rigors of travel. Let's not forget about the price. Is it a good value for the money? How does it compare to other laptops in its price range? I'll provide my thoughts on the price to performance ratio. Finally, I'll provide my overall verdict. Would I recommend this laptop to others, especially those who travel and work on the go? I'll summarize the pros and cons and offer my final thoughts. So, stay tuned as I reveal my complete laptop review after traveling and working on the go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share my in-depth laptop review. After a few months of extensive traveling and working on the go, I've truly put this machine through its paces, subjecting it to a variety of demanding tasks and environments, and I'm incredibly excited to give you my honest and detailed thoughts. First off, let's delve into the technical specifications. This laptop boasts a cutting-edge, high-performance processor, providing exceptional speed and responsiveness. It's equipped with ample RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking capabilities, and a lightning-fast solid-state drive that significantly reduces loading times. These core components are absolutely crucial for handling the often demanding tasks that come with working while traveling, such as video editing, the seamless running of multiple applications simultaneously, and efficiently managing large file transfers. The display is vibrant and delivers outstanding viewing angles, offering a truly immersive visual experience. This is an essential feature, especially when you find yourself working in diverse and often unpredictable environments, ranging from the bright, bustling atmosphere of a sunlit cafe to the more subdued and often dimly lit environment of a hotel room. The battery life is exceptionally good, exceeding my initial expectations. I can easily get a full and productive day's worth of work done on a single charge, which is an absolute lifesaver when you're constantly on the move and don't always have immediate or convenient access to power outlets. The keyboard is remarkably comfortable and incredibly responsive, providing a superior typing experience. typing for extended periods, composing emails, crafting detailed documents, or even writing lines of code, is now an effortless and enjoyable task. The trackpad is equally impressive, offering precise and smooth cursor control, which makes navigating through the operating system and various applications a complete breeze. In terms of overall portability, this laptop strikes a near-perfect balance between its compact size and its manageable weight. It's slim and lightweight enough to comfortably carry around all day, without causing undue strain. It effortlessly fits into my backpack, without adding excessive bulk, or compromising on precious space. The build quality feels exceptionally solid and robust. It has, thankfully, survived a few accidental bumps and jostles during my numerous travels, which speaks volumes about its inherent durability and resilience. The available port selection is comprehensive and entirely sufficient, with multiple USB ports for connecting various peripherals, a versatile Thunderbolt port for high-speed data transfer and display output, and a convenient HDMI port for connecting to external monitors or projectors whenever required. Now, let's dive into the practical performance aspects. The laptop handles everyday tasks, such as seamless web browsing, checking email, and staying connected on social media platforms, with effortless ease and remarkable efficiency. It boots up incredibly quickly and consistently runs with impressive smoothness. I've also utilized it for more demanding and resource-intensive tasks, including video editing and photo editing. It performed admirably and consistently met the challenges, although more intensive operations did take a bit longer to complete, as expected. The laptop's cooling system operates efficiently, preventing any overheating issues, even during extended periods of continuous and demanding use. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and ensuring the long-term longevity and reliability of its internal components. Overall, I'm truly impressed with this laptop, and I wholeheartedly recommend it. It's a powerful, highly portable, and incredibly reliable machine that's perfectly suited for the demands of working remotely while traveling. It has consistently exceeded my expectations and, in the process, significantly enhanced and streamlined my overall travel work life, making it much more enjoyable and productive. If you're currently searching for a high-performing laptop, perfectly designed for seamless work and travel experiences, I wholeheartedly recommend checking this one out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this in-depth review has been helpful.